Ukraine has taken a significant step toward modernizing its armed forces by officially approving the Liut ground drone for military deployment. The Ministry of Defense has given the green light to this robotic system, which is designed for reconnaissance and fire support missions. This unmanned vehicle has already demonstrated its combat effectiveness, particularly in operations within the Kursk region. By incorporating robotic solutions, Ukraine aims to enhance battlefield capabilities while reducing the exposure of its soldiers to direct threats, marking a fundamental shift in modern warfare. A defining strength of the Liut is its ability to operate remotely, allowing operators to control it from secure locations and minimize their exposure to enemy fire. The vehicle's design incorporates a 7.62mm PKT machine gun and an advanced sensor system, providing all-weather and day-night target engagement. Compact yet powerful, the Liut is easily transportable via military vehicles, maintaining a low acoustic signature due to its silent electric motor. Equipped with high-capacity batteries, it boasts extended operational endurance and high mobility, making it suitable for navigating challenging terrain and adverse weather conditions. These attributes make it a valuable asset in combat scenarios that demand speed, flexibility, and resilience. One of its notable deployments occurred in September 2024, near the village of Volfino in the Kursk region. The Ukrainian Special Operations Forces Unit (U_Reg) utilized the Liut in conjunction with FPV drones and mortar fire, executing a coordinated attack that forced Russian forces into retreat. Despite sustaining multiple hits from handheld anti-tank grenade launchers, the drone successfully completed its mission and returned intact, highlighting its durability and battlefield reliability. From a technical perspective, the Liut is engineered with a front suspension and airless swivel wheels, enhancing its adaptability across diverse terrains. It features Class 4 armor, providing resistance against small arms fire and explosive fragments. The system is operated remotely via an advanced interface, enabling a single operator to manage both movement and weapon systems simultaneously. With a communication range of up to 2 kilometers in line of sight and target detection capabilities extending to 1,200 meters, the drone offers significant tactical advantages. It can function autonomously for up to 72 hours, travel distances of up to 20 kilometers, and maintain continuous movement for 3 hours before requiring a recharge. Weighing approximately 330 kilograms, it represents a pivotal step in the adoption of autonomous technologies within Ukraine's military forces. The official approval of the Liut aligns with Ukraine's broader initiative to integrate ground robotics into military strategy. Prior efforts include the authorization of the Ravlik platform in December 2024 and subsequent modifications of the Spectre systems in February 2025. These advancements underscore Ukraine's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technology to strengthen combat capabilities and improve operational resilience against battlefield challenges. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has accelerated the adoption of robotic warfare, particularly due to the entrenched nature of the front lines, where traditional assaults prove costly. Ground drones like the Liut provide frontline infantry units with mobile fire support and increased tactical flexibility, particularly in urban and high-intensity combat settings. Furthermore, when used alongside aerial drones and remote-operated weaponry, these robotic platforms contribute to swarm warfare tactics, expanding Ukraine's offensive capabilities while safeguarding its personnel. As warfare continues to evolve with technological innovations, Ukraine's investment in autonomous combat systems could play a decisive role in shaping future military strategies and enhancing battlefield effectiveness.